Hey guys, we have for you guys today a showcase for our refurbished Apple iPhone 7. The Apple iPhone 7 is a beautiful phone made from beautiful aluminum chassis, crafted with the finest details and materials. It is blazing fast, has the quad-core Apple A10 chip. This is a very nice and enjoyable phone to use for every type of user. We have a variety of storage options at our store, ranging from 32GB to 256GB. We even have many different colors to choose, like rose gold, silver, jet black, and black. We have an amazing price for the market. Our prices are the best and highly competitive with the rest of the market. The iPhone 7 is a smartphone that you will really find pleasant. Body is like new. Phone is in excellent quality. All phones are like new with brand new screen and brand new battery. So come visit our online store at www.expertusa.com. You can also find us on YouTube, Facebook, and all other social media platforms.